MTD CNC would like to welcome Cogsdill's latest recruit, Martin Johnson. Now, welcome Martin. And Martin, tell us a little bit about your background, please.
So I've been in engineering since leaving school at the age of 16. I did a full modern apprenticeship back then. Stayed in the factory environment making subcontract automotive parts, mainly valve train components. And then I basically left that environment, went out as an application engineer for an OEM manufacturer. And for the last 8 years I've been making bespoke cutting tools, selling that sort of products all over the UK.
So it sounds to me like your background really lends itself to the Cogsdill product range, is that correct?
Yes, the product's it's a well-known brand, long-serving brand to the marketplace. I used the products when I was an apprentice and was trained in the early days, so I have some familiarities with the product. Need to catch up a little bit, but yeah, it's a well-known, strong product.
And what territory are you going to be covering?
So my region will be all of the south, covering all the counties in the south of the country, predominantly Midlands down, but that's the main area we'll be covering.
Well, MTD will surely be looking forward to catching up with you again in the near future. Thanks, Martin.
Thank you.